Hey guys, this is how I edit a video on my computer because I don't have money to buy an editing software because I do not have subscribers. So subscribe. Um, Hopefully anybody with Windows Editor or like I guess it's called the Photos app, Windows Photos app. I hope this helps people get in the groove. But this is what I do for most videos if I want to. So this is me editing the Deltarune video that I literally just finished making. So you go to add from this PC, and I don't know if that window shows up, but there is a window here. You might only see my cursor. There is a window of my files. Now what I want to do with those files is I want to find the file, the beginning, because that's what the file is called of my Deltarune playthrough. Now here's the Deltarune. Here's Deltarune. So as you can see, there's the entire video. By the time this video is up, this video will already be out. So it doesn't matter that I'm skipping forward and stuff. But now I'm going to just do some trimming magic. I can't move that. No, I don't need anything from that in that. No. So I think I'm gonna split it, then trim the split. Because you can split clips, you can split videos up, and I barely use split because my videos, I always record them in such a fashion. There's a cutscene that's probably going to be cut out. I think I'm going to cut out this entire opening right here, up to when Susie comes in. So here's the first clip. Hey guys! Hey guys! And then here's the second clip. The deer girl looks like Penny from Amazing World of Gumball. Okay, now we're going to take this clip and we're going to trim it. We have to trim it so that the original 6-minute clip this has to be 15 minutes long if you don't know the YouTube guidelines. If you're not verified, you have to have a 15-minute long videos all the time. Third time it's gone missing. I want to see where this is. Then that's when Susie attacks you. Just eat a cigarette. I think this is where I'm going to trim it to. So this ends... No. This clip here goes from Susie entering the classroom to Susie outside of the classroom. Now that's 16 minutes. I need to shorten it because I'm going to add a title card, which is this, which I'm going to get to soon. But I want to add a title card, and it needs to be under 15 minutes, and it's currently 16:54. So let's go into Toriel. That's her name. I said Laurel in the video. Now remember, it's Toriel. Let's go into her little dialogue place. That's just me talking about what's happening. It's full... How long is that? Of me talking. That's a full 57 seconds of me talking. If I get rid of that, it gets to 15, a little bit over 15. Let's just cut out the this entire part here. So let's actually split this clip. Okay. Let's actually split this first clip here into 2 parts. And then I'm going to trim out. Then I'm going to go here. Okay, now it's split. Now the secondary clip, I'm going to... This clip starts out like... I couldn't use it. It's a computer desk. There are many boxes under it filled with old books. Full day today, is it not? I hope it stays this way. Door's locked. Okay. The sprite art's awesome. Chris, I want to keep that part in where it's this because that's where the town of Undertale people are. So now is the decision of doing this. I'm going to split this clip here to 3 seconds, to a 3-second clip, and a 3-minute clip. I'm going to delete this 3-second clip. Now this clip, it's still 1650. It's still too long. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to trim this clip so that it starts off there and ends off here. So now the clip is shortened. Now I'm at 1519. Now I just need to take some time off of this clip, and then I'm good to go to upload it to YouTube for people's enjoyment. Let's skip the part where I say, did she just eat a cigarette? So now this clip starts here. Me spamming enter. Oh no, what's happening? No, I'm being bullied. Forgive my use of the word bullied. Oh my gosh. Can't believe I said bullied. Okay, so now this is what I do for this. Duration, I'd like it to be 2 seconds. Text. Now for series names, I just do a title card. That's how I do it. And then I put it in an appropriate font. Like Saucycraft is in a pixel font. And I think it's called Saucy Night. I don't know what I named the Fortnite one, but that's in... It's either in bold or boom, because they're very similar fonts. I'm yawning. Ah. Oh no, it's in impact. So this one I could technically do pixel, since it is pixel, but that would kind of be... But I don't want to do that. And there's a cartoon one, which makes a ton of sense because Sans. So let's just do the Comic Sans one. So we're going to put Delta Sauce, or Saucy Rune. That gives off a better vibe. These names are horrible. I just think of them and put them onto paper. Or I guess it's not really paper. And this one can just be centered. Most of them aren't. Or no, not most of them, just Saucycraft. Saucycraft isn't centered because it looks weird when it's centered. It has like a purple box around it, so I was like, nah, I ain't having none of that. So that's why it's this, but now let's go background. This is the Sauce Night color right there. I could do cyan. I mean, that's more of a little dark cyan color, but this is Deltarune. So I could just do that, but I'm not going to because if I do that color, that's the same as Fortnite. So I have a couple options here, but I'm going to use a custom color. So I'm going to do a custom color that goes good with yellow. So if we look at this color wheel, it goes yellow, blue, but I don't endorse. I don't like the. I'm gonna make so many people mad if this video gets popular. Let's just say California's not my state. So let's just do a nice. Let's do a nice cyan color, because cyan's my jam now. There. That's too similar to a Fortnite color. Let's do it green. No. No, I'm gonna make it red. Actually, no, I'm gonna make it black because the typing text in the game is yellow on a black background. So once you save, so that's what it's gonna be. I'll add the vocal after this video, after I end this, but you will see this entire video before this video comes out. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this helped some people. I mean, I bet it didn't help anybody. I mean, it might have helped people navigate better. But there's a ton of stuff, like custom audio. That's how I put the Boppa Boppa Boo in Minecraft. Through the little voice speech app down in the bottom, which is pinned to my taskbar, but you can't see that. There's also like you can like change the aspect ratio and all this fancy stuff. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to. Makes it way too much. But that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it helped some people. I don't know how many people it would have helped, but hope it helped somebody. And that's it for today. So, I'm really tired. So, I hope to see you in the next one. Go check out the iPhone 12 review video in the icon. I think it'll be there. And if it's not, it'll be in the description and in the end screen of this video. But that's it for today. I hope to see you in the next one. If you enjoy my content, subscribe, leave a like. I'm desperate, please. I'm very desperate. I am a poor YouTuber boy, and I need subscribers because I am desperate. That is probably mean to poor people, but GG gamers.